I have 3 birds lined up. I will give you their call as a descriptive form. We want to see how close you can get. The blue throat. Its call is a long varied song introduced by a repeated dip, 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 which sounds similar to a cricket. The blue throat sounds like this. Bird number 2 is the brambling. Its call is a harsh dzwee, which is spelt D-Z-H-W-E-E-E-E. Let's see how the brambling sounds.
Oh my god, I am one. I am one.
The Brent goose. A series of low guttural noises and a growling ruck. The Brent goose. Look out, there'll be a few gooses at schoolies.